Hey guys, today I'm coming to come do a YouTube tutorial um, to um, to give you some tips and tricks on what you might need to know. So today I'm gonna be kind of giving you the ropes and giving you some instruction and help for uh, how to do a phone call on your Apple iPhone, smartphone device. Um, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Um, oh. Um, so yeah, let's get right into it, guys. So if you are like me, you've got the latest iPhone, the iPhone 11. It's one of the crazier ones, I'd say, uh, out of when it comes to the iPhone, because it's got the face and the two cameras on it. So just a little mini review. That's not neither here or there. It's not there or here. So if you, however you open your iPhone, you're gonna want to open it up. This one just looks in my face and it's unlocked. So you're gonna slide it up, and then you're gonna look at all your apps here. And usually down at the bottom there'll be one that looks like a cell phone, and you're gonna want to click that, open that up, and there you go. You've got all your contacts right there. Um, and or if you want, you've got the keypad to enter in someone's number. Um, let's go ahead and give someone a call right now. Um,
Word. Please.
oh, wait, hold on, I hung up.
Please enter your password. I'm sorry, that is not the correct password. Please re-enter your password now if you have entered the wrong mailbox. I'm sorry, that is not the correct password. Please re-enter your password now if you have entered the wrong Sorry you're having trouble. I'm sorry. An operator is not available to help you. Please try again later. Goodbye.